Hi you guys, hopefully you're having a great day. So a couple of things, our question of the day, if you want to check your homework for tonight, the key is linked right here. I've showed all my work, so hopefully any questions you have are answered with that. Remember, you guys are going to do the predicting products practice worksheet, front and back. If you finish it before the end of class, go ahead and turn it in my basket. Otherwise, it is due to Monday. And then get that precipitation reaction pre-lab set up. So you'll need the title, purpose, pre-lab work, get your procedure, and then a data table set up. Okay, so you predicted the products, and now we want to check our work. So for the first one, you were predicting products, balancing, and state symbols using solubility rules. You got a lot going on here. So I see two compounds, so double the compounds, double replacement reaction. So my magnesium is going to combine with my nitrate, and my silver is going to combine with my chloride. So I end up with MgNO3 and AgCl. Okay. So magnesium chloride, most chlorides are aqueous, so that's going to be an aqueous. Nitrates are always aqueous. Magnesium nitrate, again, is going to be aqueous. I already put that in there. And then silver chloride, most chlorides, but silver is going to be a solid. And then when I balance, I need 2 chlorides, 2 silvers, 2 nitrates. Okay. For this one, we're going to use the activity series to predict the products for the following displacement reactions. So when I look, can silver replace copper? Silver is lower than copper on the activity series, so this is going to be a no reaction. It doesn't have enough activity to kick copper out. Next, I'm going to look at my potassium. When I find potassium on my on my activity series, I see potassium is higher than lead. So it's going to kick the lead out. So I have solid lead, and I have potassium nitrate.